Hello students, last video we have seen about compare of rational number, how to compare two rational number, either lesser or greater or equal. In that case we have did some process, means cross multiplication method. Now we have to, next topic is method to arrange rational number into ascending order. This type of question you will get in exercise 3, question number 2. Like that. Means arrange the rational number least to greatest. Least to greatest is what? Ascending order only or increasing order you can say. So we have to arrange. For that we have to do some process. Already this type of question also we have did in fraction number. How to arrange any fraction. So fraction are given. We have to arrange in ascending order or descending order. Means least to greatest or greatest to least. This type of question, what we are doing there? Can you answer like that? We have to do, first of all, make denominators same, so that we can compare which is greater or which is lesser. So if we have to make denominator same, for that what process we have to do? We have to take LCM for the all the whatever rational number given or whatever fraction is given. We have to take LCM of the given rational number, LCM of the denominator of given rational number. Means we have to find LCM of 2, 4, 8, 16, 4. Then we have to make denominator same. For that LCM, so 2, 4, 8, 16, 4, we have to take LCM. Okay. Now I will explain how to take LCM. Already we have known. But we have to explain as take LCM. How you will take LCM? If some students don't know, you can learn from here. So here we have to factorize, prime factorization method. This is called division method. This is not a prime factorization. So we have to divide by 2 for because all are even number. So 1, 2, 4 will come, 8 will come, then 2. Again we have to divide by 2. 1, 1, 2, 4, 1 will come. Again we have to divide by 2. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1 will come. Again divide by 2. Then 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now each place has 1. So our process is over, division process. Now we have to multiply and then we can give the answer LCM. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So it will come 16. So LCM is 16. So now we have to target main denominator as a 16 for all the number, for all the rational number. Again we have to do some process. So just you see here 1 upon 2 is given. In 1 upon 2, denominator part is 2. We have to convert as a 16. So by which number we have to multiply here? Can you answer? So just you read the table of 2. 8 times it will come 16. So we have to multiply by 8 in numerator as well as whatever we have to multiply in numerator. So denominator that should multiply in numerator also. So 8 will multiply. So it will come 8 upon 16. Now minus 3 upon 4 is given. Again you have to see minus 3 upon 4. So we have to convert as a 16 in denominator. For that we have to multiply 4 just 16. So it will come 4 into 4. Again we have to multiply in numerator also 4. So minus 3 into 4 minus 12 and 4 just 16. So second one is over. Next one 5 upon 8. So 5 upon 8 is given. Again we have to convert 8 as a 16. So that we have to multiply 8 to just 16. Again we have to multiply in numerator also by 2. So 2 multiply here and here both place. So 10 upon 16 will come. Again minus 3 upon 16 is given. Already 16 is there. So there will be no need to multiply. You want to multiply, just multiply 1 only. So minus 3 upon 16 will come. Again next one is 1 upon 4. So here 1 upon 4 means again you have to multiply by 4 in denominator. Then again you multiply in numerator also 4. So 4 just 16. 4 upon 16 will come. Now you can compare easily because denominator all has same value 16, 16, 16. Now Again, some confusion is there. Minus sign is there and plus is there. So first of all, you have to arrange in ascending order, means least to greatest. First of all, come smallest value, then we'll go for larger value. Means in negative, whatever negative value, that should be smallest value only. And in both, if two negative is there, whatever is greater value in negative sign, that will be very smallest. So minus 12 upon 16 is smallest for all the number in each of the number. So minus 12 upon 16 will come first. So just to make position, first position will come this, second position will come this. Next, third position, now three positive are there. So third position will come this, and then fourth, and then fifth. So now you are arranging original number because you have to answer in this number only. Okay. These are the process we have did, but we have to give the answer in original number as a order, ascending order. So first position means minus 12 upon 16. So original number is minus 3 upon 4 will come. So minus 3 upon 4 is less than. You have to put this type of symbol because this is so less than, means this one is less than of this. So second part is minus 3 upon 16. Okay. Next one is less than. Next one is third one, 4 upon 16 means 1 upon 6, 1 upon 4. Again less than put here. Next, third, fourth position is 1 upon 2 will come. Now let's last fifth position. Fifth position is 5 upon 8. So 5 upon 8. So this is the correct order of the ascending order given question. Like that, we have to answer of this number. Now, first of all, here mixed fraction is given. We have to remove this mixed fraction. Minus 7 upon 24 as it is. Minus 3 upon 8 as it is. Minus 5 upon 12 as it is. So mixed fraction is 3 1 3 plus 2. 5 upon 2 will come. 5 upon 3. Next, minus 18 plus 7 minus 25 upon 18 will come. Now find LCM of this whole. So 24, 8, 12, 3, 18. We have to find LCM. For that we have to divide by 2. 12 will come, 4 will come, 6 will come, 3 will come, 9 will come. Okay. We have divided by 2. Again same process we are doing next question. Now again we have to divide by 2. So 6, 2, 3, 3, 9. Again next one I can divide by 2. So 3 will come again and 1 will come, 3, 3, 9. Now all are odd number, so we have to divide by 3. So we can divide by 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. Now divide by 3, so 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now you have to multiply all the number, then you will get the LCM of this denominator. So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 3 the 24, 24 3 the 72. So LCM finally is 72 of this all the number. Now we have to make denominator as a 72. So minus 7 upon 24 is given. First of all, we have to convert this 24 as a 72. So we have to multiply by 3 down. Because 24 3 are 72 is coming. So that way multiplying numerator both. So minus 21 upon 72 will come. Next one, 3 upon 8 is given. We have to convert this 8 into 72. So 9 8 is 72. So 9 will multiply here. 9 3 is 27 upon 72. Next one is minus 5 upon 12. So 12 6 is 72. So you have to multiply by 6 in numerator and denominator. So minus 30 upon 72. So these are the converted. Next, 2 more is given. Here 5 upon 3. So we have to convert as 72. So we have to multiply by 24 here, and here also 24. So 120 upon 72 will come. Next one, minus 25 upon 18. So 18 4 ja multiply by 4. So minus 100 upon 72 will come. Okay. Now we have to arrange it both has minus sign first of all, and this one also. 3 number has minus sign. So which is the smallest? Because this one is largest. So first position will come this. Second position will come this number. Third position will this. And now this one fourth, this one, and fifth, this one. So now we have to arrange in this required ascending order. So required ascending order will be minus 25 upon 18 will come first, is less than. Next one is second position is minus 30 means minus 5 upon 12 will come, is less than. Third position is minus 7 upon 24 is less than. 3 upon 8 is less than. 5 upon 3. So this is the final answer. That's it. Like that you have to do question number 2 of exercise 3B. Like that. That's all.